Active shooter in progress. The following message is transmitted at the request of Adams County Emergency Management. There is an active shooter currently in Juniata, Nebraska around the North Brass area. Shelter in place immediately. Shelter in place immediately and lock all windows and doors. This is for the Juniata area and 2 miles east of Juniata, Nebraska. Shelter in place lifted. No threat remains in the area. The following message is transmitted at the request of Adams County Emergency Management. The active shooter scene has been cleared and no threat to the public remains. Please stay away from the area as the investigation continues. There is no longer a threat to the community and the shelter in place has been lifted. Please continue to stay away from the area as the investigation continues.